Question number 5. This question is of circle. A circle has equation x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 40. This is the equation of the circle. A line with the equation y is equal to x minus 9 intersects the circle at point A and B. Find part A is find the coordinates of the 2 points of intersection. This part of the question is very simple. To find the point of intersection, we will solve these two equations, circle equation and line equation. We will solve these two equations simultaneously to find the coordinate of the point of intersection. Equation of circle is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 40. The equation of the line is y is equal to x minus 9. Solving these two equations, we are making here the figure. This can be the figure. Let this is a circle. This is the center of the circle. Let this is the center of the circle and this is the line. These are the point of intersection A and B. Let this is A and this point is B. We have to find the coordinate of A and B. So we are solving these two equations simultaneously. We are using substitution method, putting the value of y in the circle equation. We get x minus 1 whole square plus putting the value of y, that is x minus 9 plus 4. We have put this value here. Y is x minus 9 plus 4 whole square is equal to 40. Simplifying, we get x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 5 whole square is equal to 40. Expanding by using identities, we get x square minus 2x plus 1 plus x square plus 25 minus 10x minus 40. This value we take it in left hand side. Minus 40 is equal to 0. Further simplifying, we get 2x square minus 12x minus 14 is equal to 0. We are dividing each side by 2 because all these terms are the multiple of 2. So we can divide both sides by 2. This becomes x square minus 6x plus minus 7 is equal to 0. Factorizing it, x square minus 7x plus x minus 7 is equal to 0. There are two factors, x plus 1 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. Putting x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, we get x is equal to, putting this x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Also, putting x minus 7 is equal to 0, x is equal to 7. We get these two values of x. Now, putting these two values separately in the above equation of line, we get the corresponding values of y, or y is equal to, when x is equal to minus 1, Putting in this equation x minus y is equal to x minus 9, we get value of y is equal to minus 10. Now putting the value of x is equal to 7 in the line equation, we get the value of y is minus 2. So point of intersection are A and B. Uh, so we can say that point A is minus 1, minus 10, and point B is 7 minus 2. These are the coordinates of the point of intersection of line and the circle. Now next part of this question is part B. Find an equation of the circle with the diameter AB. We have already found the coordinates of AB. So diagram will be that this is a circle. Now AB is the diameter. Equation of the circle we have to find with the diameter AB. So this is line AB, passes through the center of the circle. This point is A, this point is B. Now to find the equation of the circle, we need the center of the circle and a radius of the circle. Clearly, A and B are, we have already found in the coordinates of A and B. A is minus 1 minus 10 and coordinate of B 7 minus 2. So from here we can find easily the coordinate of the center of the circle by taking the midpoint of these 2 points AB. So midpoint is clearly this midpoint lies, and circle center of the circle lies on the midpoint of this line. So this point is the center of the circle. Let this point is represented by C, that is center. This shows that the center of the circle, but this C point we can find coordinate of this by taking the mid value of AB. Now we are applying the midpoint formula here to find the coordinate of C, which is the center of the circle. Midpoint will be we are adding x value 7 minus 1 over 2, x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2, minus 10 minus 2 over 2. After simplifying, we get the midpoint 3 minus 6. This is the midpoint. Actually, the midpoint is the center of the circle. This means that we have found the center of the circle. Now we uh, need the radius of the circle. Radius of circle we can find easily. This is the radius of the circle, AC or BC. Is the radius of the circle. So by distance formula we can find this AC. Let this AC is the radius of the circle. So we can write here, this is R. AC is radius of the circle. Coordinate of center are 3 minus 6. Coordinate of point A are minus 1 minus 10. So we are using here distance formula to find the radius of the circle. Radius will be using using distance formula. Radius will be 3 plus 1 whole square plus minus 6 plus 10 whole square whole under root. Now after simplifying we get radius is equal to 16 plus 16, that is 32 under root. Now equation of circle is x minus a whole square. This is the general equation of the circle. Y minus b whole square is equal to r square, where a and b are the centers of the circle and r is the radius. So radius is 32 under root and the center of the circle is 3 minus 6. So equation of the circle will be equation of circle will be x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square is equal to r square. R is 32 under root. We are taking square root will be removed, so we get here 32. This is the required equation of the circle.